Ever wondered how art conservators breathe new life into centuries-old masterpieces? Imagine uncovering a hidden portrait buried beneath layers of paint, only to discover a scandalous tale of power, privilege, and tragedy. That's exactly what happened when Ellen Baxter, chief conservator at the Carnegie Museum of Art, set out to restore a 16th-century portrait and accidentally resurrected the story of Isabella de Medici, the Medici family's infamous party girl. But here's where it gets controversial. The painting wasn't always of Isabella. For decades it was believed to depict Eleanor of Toledo, the dutiful wife of Cosimo I Medici, the second Duke of Florence. Yet as Baxter delicately removed 19th-century overpainting and Victorian-era varnish, a more dynamic, strikingly different face emerged. The original subject was Isabella, Eleanor's daughter, a woman whose life was as turbulent as the layers of paint now being peeled back. How did this happen? The mystery began when former curator Louise Lippincott stumbled upon the painting in the museum's basement. Though attributed to Bronzino, the Medici court's official artist, Lippincott found the work awful and sought Baxter's expertise. Baxter, a rare blend of artist and scientist, approached the piece not as a static object but as a layered composition. "It's like lasagna," she explained. "Each layer tells a different story." Upon closer inspection, Baxter noticed something odd. The face was too Victorian cookie tin pretty. A quick Google search of the painting's backside revealed a stamp belonging to Francis Leadham, a 19th-century restorer who transferred artworks from wood panels to canvas. X-rays confirmed her suspicions. There were multiple layers, including the Victorian overpainting and, beneath it, the original portrait of Isabella. Who was this rebellious princess? Cosimo doted on her, granting her freedoms unthinkable for women of her time. She hosted lavish parties, spent extravagantly, and even had a rumored affair with Troilo Orsini, her husband's cousin. Yet after Cosimo's death in 1574, her brother Francesco ruled with a different approach. By 1576, Isabella was dead. The official story? She collapsed while washing her hair. The unofficial version? Rumors suggest her husband strangled her to eliminate a scandal and marry his mistress. And this is the part most people miss. The urn Isabella holds in the painting, neither part of the original artwork nor a Victorian edition. Its presence has sparked debate. Baxter and Lippincott speculate Isabella might have requested it herself, a symbolic attempt to cleanse her legacy. "This is literally the bad girl seeing the light," Lippincott remarked. But does this interpretation hold water? Could a 16th-century princess truly have orchestrated such a subtle PR move? Baxter, however, resisted the urge to embellish. "I'm not the artist," she emphasized. "My job is to repair, not to rewrite history." Her meticulous process, using tiny brushes, solvents, and painstaking inpainting, restored the painting's original vibrancy without adding a single brushstroke of her own. It's a lesson in restraint, a reminder that conservation is about revealing, not reimagining. So what do you think? Should art conservators prioritize historical accuracy over modern interpretations? And do you believe the rumors about Isabella's death? Or is the truth still buried beneath those layers of paint? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to explore the links to learn more about the fascinating world of art restoration.